Need to see satellite imagery in Google Maps but not sure where to find it? Whether you're planning a trip, checking out your neighborhood from above, or just exploring the world, switching to satellite view in Google Maps takes just seconds, but only if you know where to look. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more quick and easy tech how-tos like this one. Let's get started. On desktop, first head to Google Maps. By default, you're probably seeing the standard map view, roads, cities, and labels on a light background. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small square labeled Layers, or it may just look like a stack of tiles. Click that. A menu will pop up with options like Map, Satellite, and Terrain. Click on Satellite. Boom, you'll instantly switch to real satellite imagery. You can zoom in or out using your mouse wheel or the plus, minus buttons in the bottom right. Want even more detail? Turn on labels while in satellite view. That way, you'll still see street names, landmarks, and locations while looking at satellite photos. On mobile, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap the Layers icon in the top right corner. It looks like two stacked squares. Panel will slide up from the bottom. Tap on Satellite, and just like that, the map will switch views. You can pinch to zoom and drag to explore anywhere on Earth. It works on both Android and iPhone, and you can switch back to default map view at any time using the same Layers button. If this helped you get a better view of the world, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more everyday tech tutorials coming every week. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.